How to fix Facebook Lite not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Lite not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here you will find Lite. Click on it and now click here storage, and first thing click clear cache, and then go to permissions, check this one here, this one storage, maybe you'll find it like that, then just click on it and click allow, and now just click for stop here and go back and restart your phone. Click restart, and now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.